We have an irregularity. The researcher we planted has been discovered by the Illuminados.
You must be talking about that vagrant Spaniard. So where is he now?
He's held captive in an abandoned house located northeast of the village. Until he recovers the sample, we can't let him die.
You don't need to remind me. Luis Serra. And I thought I was high maintenance.
Okay. Rescue. Okay.
Welcome.
Got money. Try it.
Back any time.
Handgun. Okay. Church from before. It certainly doesn't have any reason to go back there. Okay. Any reason to go back there? Ah! Hi, lady. You can stay down. Go stay down. Nope. Stay down. Stay down. Okay. So it's filthy. The corpse of the. Hey, why the hell were you even? This is the first table I've seen that's not covered in filth. Okay, another one.
Un forastero!
Hi. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. Chicken. Cold egg. Oh, looky, he's back. That helps me. I got the ruby. Okay, chainsaw dude dead. Okay. Shut up. Aw. Hi, lady. Okay. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Shut the fuck up. Oh, get off. Oh, let's set open. Okay. that real quick. I am praying that she went to bed. Of course fucking not. Baby. Okay.
¡Un forastero!
Ow. I'm just gonna keep running. Better not waste ammo and stuff. Something up there.
¡Un forastero!
Tell me it took you that long to realize I was there.
Detrás de ti, imbécil.
Wait, did he have fucking glasses on? He has fucking glasses on. Why the fuck do you have glasses on? I noticed that. He had fucking glasses on. That was funny as shit. Never seen that. Guys, let me know in the... Hold on. You guys gotta let me know in the comments. Have you ever seen that? I swear it looked like he had glasses. Let me know in the comments, guys, if he had glasses or not. That's fucking fun. That's hilarious. I never noticed. It's way up here. With it. There's a way to get that goddamn piece. Okay, so we know there's one up there. I'm trying to figure out how to get to it. Sometimes it doesn't. Down here. Turn. The wasteland. It is different. This way is the right way. Something in the bag I missed. Yeah. On new random boulder. Okay. That was stupid. Again, fucking stupid. Your dynamite idea? Kinda idiotic. Oop, missed. Ow. Okay. Getting hit twice in the face. Oh, come on. No, that's what happens when you guys are stupid. Just saying.
Rápido.
I didn't skip it, so there should just been Leon. Okay, so let me go run in here real quick, see if there's any.
Un forastero.
I think I can get in here. Now, you do want to do this, you can just go all the way back. But for the sake of being thorough. Oh boy. Okay. For the sake of checking everything. That's it. Huh. Not really worth it. If you need ammo, it'll probably be worth it, but... So now you know. Alright, now that we know that, we will make our way up to the... to our main destination. If I could stop running into stuff, that would be fun, but whatever. Alright. Oh, looky, big bomb dude. One in it. So stupid, you gotta hit the one in his hand. Or the trigger. I think the one on his back would work so much. Well, but whatever. Cut. Okay. Boop, money. Ammo. You guys give my ammo back. Yay. Okay. You're forgiven. Fuck. Crush that. Okay. Back to where we go. Back to where we go. Where everything is happening. And we got some cycles. But there's way up there. How do I get this? Stupid thing. I saw something shiny. Should have been shiny up there. That's not. Oh, I missed the ammo. I'll go back to the handgun for a bit. Not waste all my money. Oh, up here. Oh, I see that. Okay, let's see that up there. Oh, I didn't want to fight chainsaw, dude, so. There's a treasure here, so. Yeah, Leon's jacket. Yay! Okay. Looking. You guys like fire? Oh, I haven't shot that one. Shot that a bit. Okay, I know if I go up there, where the freak is this treasure at?
¡Detrás de ti, imbécil!
Oh, dude. Oh, it's hanging on my phone. Okay. Do that real quick because I'm curious. Where is this treasure? Here. Okay, whatever. Fuck you, fuck you. Fuck you. Oh. Did it. Did it. Did it. Did it. This looks like Leon's jacket. Why is he wearing it? If I had to guess, I guess he stole it, Ada. Just saying. Kind of stuff, you know, ain't that hard to figure out. Whatever. You're the man in charge, you're the lady in charge, so, you know, I'm just saying. Oh, I haven't even caused it's hard. Oh look, why is this so glitchy? Graphics. God. Oh, it's weird, my cutscene is a little glitchy on that, but yeah, we already know what happens.
Hay un rumor que hay un extranjero entre nosotros.
Nuestro jefe se curará de la rata. Dice la plaga es mucho mejor que la nuestra.
Tienes razón, es un hombre.
You carry the same blood as us, it seems. Nevertheless, you're an outsider. Just remember, if you become unpleasant to our eyes, you'll face severe consequences.
Right. I never understood this part. What would make you go back? Theoretically.
What? Same blood.
Yeah, why would you go back through the door, though? How did you see this cutscene? Because you already get the... I apologize for that. Thing the fuck up so bad where it's looking all pisco like. Uh-oh. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with the green thing, guys. It's been a little finicky here lately. Let's see what... It's not good. Okay. Apologize if my voice sounds a little off today, guys. For related reasons, but... Miss me! Miss me. I didn't miss you this time. Oh. He doesn't get a one for morning. But whatever. Fuck it. Boom. Bye bye. That's how you deal with that. Well, that keeps giving me just a whole bunch more ammo for this. Hi, Red Eye, dude. I could be eyes. Boom. Bye bye. Supposed to go this way? Doesn't feel like it. I don't remember. Door will not open. It must be locked. I need to find a key. Okay. Door locked that way, so we gotta go up. Yeah. Hi, Macho Dude. Ooh, that's convenient. It's also convenient that you happen to be right near the key.
Welcome.
Okay. I got the iron key, so I think I can go back down here. Okay, so I think I gotta go. Looks like you'll lift in. Okay, so now I gotta get the lift key. Okay, of course. Makes a lot of fun. Well, that explains a lot of how it started for Leon. Okay. So then, anyways, heal up just in case. Cause who the fuck knows what's gonna be down here? Alright, well, that also explains why this door was open. Ironically, he's down key. Okay. Just saying. Makes a lot more sense how that door became open. This does not look familiar. I gotta go in. There's treasure and shit around the corner. Yeah, look, there's that red one. No. Yeah. I know. Kinda figured that. It's gonna happen. Because, you know, why the fuck not? Back the fuck up. Yeah. Fuck off. What? Quick turn. Boom! That was close. I almost died right there. Back up. Back up. It's not an intense boss fight, it's just an annoying one. Like when I used to play this, okay, I wonder how that lasts, because honestly, I don't know. And I'm more worried that, like, if I grab it, something bad's gonna happen. Yeah, we already know where we're at. This is a lot familiar. So... double checking everything. Okay, man, there we are. Right. Basically, that's what would happen if you. Well, no, you can leave because you have to kill her. Okay. Okay. Seriously? Really? Oh, no. Man, they just do not die, do they? Oh, what'd you give me? Money! What are fucking bullshit today? Okay. Look! Back up. Back up with that. We are not playing. It's a strong fucking typewriter. Hey. How the fuck did we get their typewriter? I will have to admit, this game does not follow the, like, station project. Kinda cool. Hey, my question, where the fuck did you all come from? Do all this. Lift key, bam. Okay. It's activated. Okay. What awaits us next? I'm tired. A little, my stomach hurts, but okay. Oh, man. Sorry, guys. It's been a bit of a crazy day. Okay, where am I going to trust this? Where it's trying to send me is not. There. Okay. here. Treasures. Oh, yeah, that was right there. First aid. First aid's pretty good. Yeah, it's got the treasure, so. In here, shotgun shells. Handgun ammo. Always helpful. Nothing. Yeah, we know where this originally was. But I don't know, all the doors were down. Never mind. So it makes it a little weird all the doors are down. So, what's going to take place? Do they just have these things fucking spawning? Okay, let's continue. Damn. Let go. I'm not sure if you can kill him. Oh, damn. More impressive than Leon. More impressive than Leon's playing, like, gets hit 3 times usually. Wow, he used just 2 shots that game. Oh, look. I know where this is.
I forgot something. You guys go on ahead. Louis.
Okay.
Hey, señorita. Got a light and some smokes to go with it to make my day?
Where's the sample?
Okay, we skipped the foreplay. As a matter of fact, I was just going to get it. Where's the love, baby?
Sounds like fun to me. Just hurry up.
Okay, lady. Where do you stand on all of this? Exactly what kind of group are you working for?
There are some things in the world better off not knowing. This is one of them.
Fine. I can take a hint. I don't care who you are, as long as you get rid of that old man and his religious friends.
Among all the people involved in this, Luis Serra has the least entanglements. He works for no organization, preferring to move on his own. I'm the one
well,
who
we're in the
told
remake to
organization
change
of its
that.
importance. I did it because I like him. His history betrays an enthusiasm I once shared. It was a stroke of luck that I happened to intercept his email for help. It seems he can't trust the police, so he sent the email to an old friend from college. He must have thought his friend was still alive. At any rate, that's how I managed to find him. Apparently, he's been conducting his own investigation of the cult while doing research on Las Plagas. A brilliant scientist. He's accumulated a pile of data and pieced it all together. Must be why Sadler hired him. Too bad Sarah's snooping has aroused his suspicion. When I told him who I was, he practically begged to be taken into custody. He needed protection. He said, I have no love for Las Plagas or this stupid cult. I want out. I just want peace and quiet again. I ordered him to bring me a master Plaga specimen, a sample for evidence. Looks like he's one of the few people whom Sadler actually trusts. Tracking him down and getting my hands on the sample shouldn't be difficult. I doubt the cult will take kindly to his escape, though. I'll have to guide this along if I want it to go smoothly.
Okay. Just took a look at what happened. Logan managed to find him. Apparently, same stuff. Just kinda